Class 10, exercise number 5.1, question number 11. In the figure, find the area of the triangle AGF. See, this is the triangle AGF. This is the triangle we have to find out. And then the triangle FED. The triangle FED. This portion, this triangle only we have to find out. And then quadrilateral of BCEG. Quadrilateral of BCEG. This quadrilateral. So, except the yellow portion, except the yellow color portion, we have to find this triangle and then this triangle and then this quadrilateral. Let's see one by one. Here we are asking the triangle FED and the quadrilateral BEG, right? Here the AGF points. Now we want to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle AGF is equal to, we know the formula, that is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 again x1 y1 square units. Now we apply the values as it is in the term, given term, that is half into first point we take it as x1 y1, that is minus 5 3. Second point x2 y2 minus 4.5 0.5, and then x3 is minus 2 3, and then again we have to write the same point, that is minus 5 3. Now we have to multiply the terms, that is half into multiple this 5 5s are 25, so minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. If we multiple, we get 25. That is after one digit means minus 2.5. We have to multiple this, plus into minus minus. 5 3s are 15. 5. Here we have decimal places. 5 4s are 20. Plus 1 is 21. So minus 21.5. Sorry, here we are multiplying by 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 remainder 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So here we have the number 13.5 minus 2 3s are 6. Minus of the second term we have to multiple like this. Again 3 into 4.5 is 13.5. We get minus 13.5. Here we have the negative value. 2 into 0.5 is, that is 1.0. That is 2 5s are 10. We get 1.0, that is 1. Minus 5 3s are 15. Next we have to simplify this. See, each and every time I have the negative value, so minus 13.5 plus 2.5 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. Minus of the second term. Here 15 plus 1 is 16. Here all the terms are negative value, so put the minus symbol. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 13.9. 16 plus 13.5 is 29.5. Now removing the bracket here, minus 22 minus into minus plus 29.5. When we subtract this half into, we get 7.5. So 7.5 is divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. 0.15 means we have 5. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1. Here already we have decimal places, so put 0. Then 2 5s are 10. We get 0. So when we divide this term, we get 3.75. So 3.75 square units is the area of the triangle AGF. The second Roman number, we have to find out the area of the triangle FED. The FED point is given. We know the formula for area of the triangle FED, that is half into x1 y1 x2 y2, and then after this square units, right? Now we have to take the first point as x1 y1, second point at x2 y2, third point at x3 y3. Now we have to apply the values. Now apply the values, minus 2 3 and then 1.5 1 and then 1 3 minus 2 3. Next we have to multiply this term. It is half into, now multiple like this. 1 2s are 2 minus 2. Here we have plus 3 into 1.5 is 4.5. That is 3 15s are 45. That is 4.5 plus 1 3s are 3. Minus of the second term. 3 into 1.5 is 4.5. 1 ones are 1. Here minus 6. this term is equal to half into, now sum of this number is 7.5 minus 2 is 5.5, 5.5 minus of the second term, 5.5 minus 6 is equal to minus 0.5, right? 4.5 plus 1 is 5.5, 5.5 minus 6 is 0.5. When we remove the bracket, we get 5.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 means we have to divide here, we get 3. So this term is equal to 3 square units. So the area of the triangle FED is equal to 3 square units. In the third Roman number, we have to find out the area of the quadrilateral BCEG. The BCEG points are given. We want to find the area of the quadrilateral. We know the formula of area of the quadrilateral, half into x1y1, x2y2, x3y3, x4y4, again x1y1. Now we are going to write the given values in the appropriate places. That is, the first point we take it as x1y1, second point is x2y2, third point is 1.5 and then 1, and then fourth point is minus 4.5, 0.5. Again we have to write the first point, right? Now we want to multiply the terms. This term is equal to half into the first term like this, minus into minus plus, 4 ones are 4, plus 2 ones are 2, plus 1.5 into 0.5, that is, just see that 1.5 into 0.5, just forget about the decimal places. So 15 into 5 is 75, we know that, and then we get 2 decimal places means 0.75, or we have to multiple means 5 5 is 25, 5 remainder 2, 5 1 are 5 plus 2, 75, and then 0 0, 5 7 0. Here we have one digit, here we have one digit, so 0.75 is the answer. And also here we have minus 4.5 into 2, right? 45 into 2 is 90. So 4.5 into 2 is 9.0. So the first term is 0.75. Here we have minus into minus plus. 4.5 into 2 is 9.0. That is nothing but 9. So minus of the second term. Minus into plus. Minus 2 2s are 4. 1 into 1.5 is minus 1.5. Here 1 into 1 means minus 4.5. Here 4 into 0.2 is minus 2. 5 4s are 20, that is 2.0, right? Now again you have to simplify the terms, addition and subtraction. Sum of this term is 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 0.5 is 15. See here 1 by 2 into 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 0.75 is 15.75. Here we have minus of the second term. See, all the terms are negative values, so put negative and add the terms. 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5, 5.5 plus 4.5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Right? Next we have to remove the bracket. 1 by 2 into 15.75 minus into minus plus 12. Sum of this term is equal to half into 27.75. When you divide by 2, 27 divided by 2 means in 1, here we have 3 point, we have remainder 1, 17, in 17 we have 6, 8 2s are 16, and then remainder 1, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, that is 5. So this term is equal to 13.875 is nothing but 2 decimal places means we have more than 5. So this term is equal to 13.88 square units is the area of the quadrilateral BCEG. Area of the quadrilateral BCEG is the answer. Thank you, students. Area of BCEG.